Here I have a stereo sound system from DENON, and I'll just plug it in here, and it's clicking on and off. So it's probably a short inside. So what I did is I just took off the back, and sometimes it goes into protection mode because one of the speaker wires was crossed or what have you. And what I did was I disconnected this wire, okay, and just let all the voltage drain, put that back. And what you want to do is to reset this receiver. You're going to hold the tune plus and minus together. So what I did is I did a factory reset on this machine. To do a factory reset is you hold the tune. There's two buttons in here. There's the tuner presets plus and minus. So you're going to hold these two down solid, and then you turn on it until it says initialize, and then you release. Just give it some time, and this is going to do a reset, factory reset on the machine. But I believe it was just in protection mode. Make sure all the speakers are disconnected and do a reset, and that seems to have fixed it.
And then with the external monitor, after you need to redo the setup, you'll just go through English and continue setting up through the instructions because the receiver is working now, and this should get your system up and going. If you like repair videos, you can consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.